It's a Kluger car, Kluger 2011, but mostly of the Kluger 2007 to 13, these most are the same. So for the oil change and oil filter change, you will lift the car with the ramp. This ramp very handy and easy than the jakes. And here, if you're lifting with the jakes, so you have to open this car, but I'm not lifting with the jakes, so I have using the ramps. These ramps you can buy on eBay or super cheap auto money, about for 100 120 $130, and it's like 3000 kg or 2500 kg capacity of, and this car is mostly like 2600 2400, so it's okay. Okay, now for the oil filter, you will open this 10 mm screw, and so it will need 10 number socket, and you will remove the oil filter, and the oil drain itself need 14 number socket, so you will drain out. I have already drained out yesterday, then I have to go somewhere, then I lift like this and gone. So today I'll open this again, so the remaining I will also go a little bit, and also the oil filter. We will be using this for the filter to open. You can buy this on eBay or Amazon about $15 $10, also super cheap, or any auto store. So it's handy thing. It will take, I think, quarter inch, what they call it's quarter of this, it's the quarter side, like 3 or 4 mostly. You can, most of the people they open this one, okay, and then they put the plastic pipe or hose like thing to not make a mess. But still, when they open, you'll have to open the whole filter, so still they will make mess this area. But it's better to open all the filter at once and then clean this area. Yeah, it was the remaining oil dripping in the oil fan, so it's better to open all them, because the mess gonna be happen and anyway, so it's better to open all the thing with this socket, filter socket at once. It's the oil pan nut, so with 14 socket you will hand tight and just a little bit, otherwise you will make damage. You see, it's like 14 to 20 nanometer, but with one hand and a little bit, like it will not leak, and enough tight and not over tight. Yeah, that's it. And I will check when I put oil, then I will check for the oil leak, then I will put core, and I'll open this now. I'll open the filter. It's the Toyota genuine oil filter. You can see it has the seal, everything. It's about for $20 $30, okay, on Amazon from the dealer, $20 $30. But the same thing without any logo, anything, you can buy like four oil filter like this without pegging for $20, 4 or 5 for $20, and it has the same quality like this one. So now I'll put this, so I dip in the oil, so but it's okay. It's the new one, and is the filter oil filter, engine oil filter. So I'll just put like this, and that's it. It's a spring, but you don't need to press much more the spring. So it's like this, and I will fill this with the oil because it's recommended for most of the old car. You need to fill this like till the middle, or it make miss, not make miss, because the engine when you start the engine, So the dry parts will start lubricating soon because it has already the clean oil in it, so it's recommended to put oil in it. Most of the modern car they don't need, but still it's recommended to put some oil in the dry filter, so the engine will not struggle to send oil to the filter and then send to the all parts, because already there will be oil in the oil filter. I'm using Castrol magnetic for SUV 5W30 and C3. It's this car takes 6.1 liter, but I'll put 6 liter, then I'll take out from the ramps, and then I will check the level, and then I'll top up if they need some leveling. So it's 7 liter, and I have to put here 6 liter 5W30 magnetic. The Toyota one is also very good, but this Castrol is international brand and magnetic technology, like they will stick to the engine parts even if you're running the car, or even just leave the oil for months, so still the parts will be like lubricated all the time because they stick to the parts, and it's fully synthetic engine oil. The Toyota one is just synthetic, this is fully synthetic, so this is much better than the Toyota one, so I will recommend this one to you all guys. And I'll put some here. Here in my case, the oil filter seal, this one, the rubber one seal, or the O-ring, someone say seal, it's good, it's very fresh, because last time I changed it. Okay, so it's a good quality one, and it's still very good. It's the seal you see, and the seal position is also here, not all the way down, not up here, it's just here in the middle, and it is a big area where the seal will go. So this time I'm not changing the oil seal, as well as I'm not changing the oil pan nuts seal washer too. So these are all good. Otherwise, if it is very much old, looks like some marks, then I have to change it, but now I don't need to change it. So it's the Castrol magnetic. When you open it, so it's, you see, you have to open this and put some in the oil filter. So I have filled it like this, like 3/4 of the oil filter, and I'll put this oil filter now. Yeah, that's it. Because if I make it full, then when installing, so it will start making mess, so it's better. You see, so this level is better. I can also put a little bit more, but take care not to come to full. I did hand tight, and then with the wrench, but with this wrench, but in my case it didn't turn more, so I also didn't force, just leave it like that, like it's just tight, not over tight, otherwise you will break the seal. Kluger 2011 needs 6.1 liter, means 6 liter and 100 millimeter, and this is 7 liter, and it has no clear writing on this. Okay, on the bottle there is no clear writing, so I will be not knowing exactly what's the 1 liter, so it's better I remove 1 liter, and I'll put 6 liter straight away to save the time. Put 6 liter in this through the funnel, and a little bit take out. When I was putting the engine oil, I have the dipstick, I pull out, you see, so the air will come out here, and there will be no bubbling and no messing. Like our home driver is not level, so for leveling, what I did back, back ramps. I lift a car a little bit on back ramps, you see, back ramp. So now the level of the engine is almost correct. You see all the bubble is in the middle, so now I can check the dipstick, like do I need to top up some engine oil, or the engine oil is enough? Okay.